Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove smart unlock in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. If you have already enabled smart unlock, then if you would like to remove smart unlock, just follow this video. Just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to security and privacy, and here select more security and privacy, and here select extend unlock and try your current pattern for authentication and confirmation, and here click on body detection and turn off this button, and on body detection smart unlock now removed from your phone. Then click on trusted places. Here if you have add any place, click on that place and click on delete. Okay, click on delete, and all trusted places have been removed from this trusted places option here. So 0 places added. Okay, it's showing that 0 places, so no place is available. Okay, no trusted place unlock is available for your phone. Okay, then click on trusted devices, and here also already 0 devices showing. So all external unlock have been removed now, so your phone is free from smart unlock. So in this way you can easily remove smart unlock in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.